quick update on the AC square wave circuit. So I've finally managed to tune it properly. So we've got the mean voltage -2 volt. Then we've got the max voltage, which is 2 volts, so it's positive. And then the mean is negative. And the amplitude is 5.6. So it's working really well. So we've got negative cycle, we've got positive cycle, and that's the total that we've got. There's the peak to peak here. So peak to peak, the min -2, and the max 2.9. So that square wave is perfect because we've got a positive cycle. Maybe if I can close this. Let me try to close this. Yeah, you can see we've got a perfect square wave, which is an AC square wave. We've got a positive cycle and then the negative cycle. And so this is the circuit here. What I did initially is I put some LEDs there to actually see what it looks like. So what I did is, if I can maybe zoom out a bit, I literally just remove that coil and then just remove those wires. And then I'll put my resistors here. So we've got one here, one resistor, and then the other one. So we've got both emitters that are connected together. So there's the emitters, and then we've got one LED that goes one way. So that looks like it's the positive rail. So we do positive to negative, and then we do negative to positive, right? And then I just need to put the frequency, so it's this resistor here, and I'll put it on 1 Hertz. So if I change this to pin 6, right? Okay, so now we should have the LED flickering. So here they're flickering at the same time, which is incorrect. So I'll just flip one of them to the wrong polarity, or the opposite polarity, I should say. Yeah, here we go. So that's the AC square wave cycle. So that's just on 1 Hertz. That's what it looks like on 1 Hertz. You can see one shut off and then the other one turn on. If I unplug all of that now, so I'll just turn the power off for now. Turn it off, and then I remove the LEDs, and then I connect the just the two emitters together. So be this one here, and then this one here. So I'm just plugging this in here. I'll just grab another one. So I'll grab this one for now. So this is what happened to the coil when we put 1 Hertz of frequency in there. So I'll just plug it in. I'll plug this in here. And then the the ground of this here. Okay. And so you're gonna see on 1 hertz, this magnet will just spin half a cycle forward, half a cycle back. So I'll show you that. So here I'm plugging everything back to where it's supposed to go. If I can grab the wires. Okay, you can see on 1 hertz, so it goes a cycle forward, a cycle backwards. You can see it's beating like a heartbeat. Go back, forth, back, forth, back, forth. So that's a AC square wave cycle. And then now all I've got to do is just change the frequency, right? So I'll change the frequency with, oh, I think it's this resistor. We'll try that one. Yeah, we'll try that one. All right, let's try that. So, okay, let's try this. Yeah, here we go. So straight away it started spinning. Not spinning fast because the frequency is not very high, but it is spinning. You can see it spinning. And that's AC square wave. You can see I can try to increase the frequency. Yeah. So the circuit is working really well. So that's just an AC frequency, and that we can set at 27 Hertz. So circuit is working. So we've got NP, 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 then we've got the 555 oscillator, LMC 555. And here I've just used they're nearly flat batteries here, but 2 9-volt batteries, and then the middle of the batteries is connected to this rail here, which is the ground. So we've got a plus 5 volt, minus 5 volt, and 0.